Today's digital age, what do you think makes instant cameras like Instax a must-have for the youth?
Sorry, once again.
In today's digital age, what do you think makes instant cameras like Instax a must-have for the youth?
I think it's a super product. I mean, superior product with a USP associated with the nostalgia of printed pictures.
अरे क्या
I think
कर रहा
हम
हूँ भाई?
सबको फोटोज का एक हमेशा एक वो nostalgia आता है जब हमारे हाथ में वो फोटोज होती है. And you know, I think Instax has that quality and it relates. मतलब मैं बहुत relate कर पाता हूँ उस चीज से. Sorry sir, I'm speaking in Hindi, but okay. You understand Hindi? थोड़ा थोड़ा. So, I'll try my best. My English is not so good. No, so it's all about nostalgia, and I think it's a relatability factor when it comes to photographs in your hands, and I feel in today's digital age, when you have a camera which can provide you with such tremendous quality of photos, and it's like there are features where I can just click photographs on my phone also, or my memory. I can just transfer it to Instax camera, this camera, and they can print it out. So what better than this? I mean, sometimes you always feel like having those photographs in your hands, or maybe wall पे कभी घर पे अपने चिपका के रखना your fond memories. And I think this provides that. So I think, I love this about it, and I think the youth will really connect to it, and that's why it's a must-have for the youth.
You know, you being a youth sensation, this actually adds as a statement to all the youth, isn't it? Alright, so moving on to the next question. So next question is for Mr. Arun Babu. So this question is from Dinesh from INS. What makes this latest Instax offering unique compared to previous models, and how does it enhance the instant photography experience?
So answer to this is, in my presentation also I said that it's a flagship model for Instax as a category, and anybody who will go for this product, it has so many features in it that he will take a year to explore those features also. As I said that you can click 100,000 and more expressions. That means you can use the lens effect, you can use the film effect, you can use the film style, you have the wide angle mode, then you have lots of features, degree control. So if you use all of them, maybe you can have so many images and you can become a photographer per se with this kind of camera. So that's why the tagline also says, right, make every frame a masterpiece.
Absolutely, and we're so glad that we're going to have it in our hands very shortly. Thank you. Now, the next question is from Mohammed from ANI, again to you, Arun sir.